hit with rain. Guys, check it out. 2 V10 monster machines. Oh, snap! That man threw. Give him 5 years, guys. He's gonna pull out a Viper on us. All right, fam, we're back at the pump because the car wash was closed, so filled it up with another 2 gallons V85. I don't know if you guys have heard the car start up. Cold start has been removed. So it has a startup roar on MHD with no cold start. Because there's no more cats, you don't really need a cold start. It's a super busy racetrack. I'm just glad they have ethanol. This place was wider in the back, it'd be fun to do some donuts here. So Drew might not be back till 2:30. We're just 5 minutes from his place. Let's see what's going on. Sounded nice. Like these spider webs are all over me, hair and stuff. To the right side this time. Normally we go to the left, but it is actually pretty dangerous to do that. So this is normally how you guys would come to Drew for precision window tint and film if you're getting tints done, your PPF. Oh, beautiful. Got a Porsche silver on red. That looks gorgeous. Let's see if we can find some shade actually. It's so hot. This tree looks pretty good. Back it up here. Guys, check it out. 2 V10 monster machines. This is a Huracan STO, beautiful spec. It's the first time I'm seeing a black and green. Even the roof scoop is green. Insane calipers are green.
Interior is pretty cool too.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so I have a friend Earth, and I told him He's like, once I make it to 25 million liquid, he'll buy me a matching GT3 RS. I was like, all right, when I get there, I'm going to buy you a matching STO. And then we have another V10 American muscle car, the GTS. This is like a Ferrari spec, red on tan. This is gorgeous. This is the Cars and Coffee car, and this is the track car. Is it the same owner, or are these two different owners? Different owners. So what do we got going on with the Viper, Drew? What do we put?
So this was previously PPF'd.
Okay.
And because the exhaust goes through the side skirts,
Right.
the heat has gotten to the film, so we're gonna have to fix that.
You look at this, guys.
See right here, the heat's kind of messed that up.
Oh, interesting.
So the car is fine. It's just the film. We need to take that off and fix it.
Do you know what brand it is? Does it look like Expel on
No,
here?
I put it on. It's
Oh, okay.
just,
Yeah, it's overtime. Yeah.
It's just too.
There's not much you can really do about that with this car.
You could probably try and put some heat shielding inside the panel, but
Yeah, these cars, the first generation, people would burn their feet.
yep.
And the first generation had no ABS or traction control. Porsche has the 992 GTRS called the Widowmaker. This was the American Widowmaker. Look at how much tan leather is in this interior. For the price point, this is probably the nicest Dodge interior they ever made.
Yeah.
And they don't make these cars anymore. This is gonna go up in value. This is a true collector car. Not something that personally people would probably want to drive hard at this point. Whereas the STO, if you buy this car and don't drive it hard, you're doing it wrong. Look how gorgeous this thing is. Honestly, this is one of my top 5 favorite cars. Naturally aspirated V10, track focus, super stiff, super hard, stripped out interior. Honestly, this is goals, guys. Straight goals. Earth, if you're watching this is what I'm talking about. See what these headlights look like, guys. Oh yeah. If it stayed orange and had that like racing inspired look, oh my god.
Give it the CS.
Yeah, the CS style. Look at this matte carbon fiber. And even the, it looks like to remove this rear panel, you have the Lamborghini style key.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, you can see the STO through there. Oh my goodness, guys. Flat bottom steering wheel. Okay, Lamborghini, I just don't like how big the airbag is on the steering wheel. See, you might got a delivery here. All right, guys, this is the beautiful black and green interior of this STO. Everything is carbon fiber. That whole door panel is carbon fiber. As we back up, even the fin is carbon fiber. What's interesting is the exhaust, there's heat shielding all across the back of this car. When you're behind an STO, good luck, because the wheels are going to be kicking up all kinds of shit from over here. You can see the exhaust. This thing is a pure race car. No two ways about it. And then this is the weekend cruiser. So much leather in this thing. Actually open the car like this. Look at this beauty, guys. Look how much leather is in here. It smells amazing. Looks amazing. Give you guys a quick glimpse of the keys for both of these whips. Show you what the door handles here look like on the STO. You gotta push it in and then you pull it out. But yeah, Lambo, the steering wheel, that air bag is just too big. Gonna make that smaller, guys. Take a look at the keys real quick. So, the Lamborghini key. Very simple. Very clean. You'd expect a little bit more for how unique and limited production this car is, but keys are the last of your issues, really, when you have a car like this. And then let's check out the Viper, guys. What does the Viper key look like? It's actually got some nice leather on it. Feels more special than the Lamborghini key. What a car. Let's see. Very nice. And then when you hit the lock button, And we'll do the same thing for the STO guys.
It was waterless wash and ceramic.
That's the unlock. That's the lock. Making all kinds of noises. All right, Drew's gonna show us a little party trick here. This is where they hide the cocaine. No, seriously, this is the front, guys. It's got styrofoam around it, really. Keep things in check.
What's truly impressive is this.
Yeah, full matte carbon fiber.
You do not want to rear end anybody with this car.
It's got air ducts everywhere on this thing. Absolute insanity. Does it have washer fluid? It may not have washer fluid for the windshield.
There's wash fluid right
Oh, okay. Yeah, here we go.
Gotta have it.
Gotta have the washer fluid. Look at this. This is why you hear all the rocks kicking up from the tires, guys. Oh, snap. That man Drew. Give him 5 years, guys. He's gonna pull out a Viper on us. So we got a 2025 G80 coming in. He's gonna get a custom screen protector on that wide screen, guys. Check it out. And right next to the Viper is a very, very classy Porsche Cayman, silver on red. So much leather in the interior. I did not notice that. This has got to be optioned out. Crazy, Drew, what the heck? All right, fam, what's good? You see the Viper, you see the Porsche Cayman. We are at Drew's shop. I am gonna do a little bit more data logging and send it on the car. Let's see if it connects. Probably have to reconnect it. It's connected to my GoPro. Boom, okay, E47. A little bit of rain came in. It's a really chill dog that's always here. There's a reason that dog is God spelled backwards, guys. Unconditional love. I don't trust men that can't get women and men that don't like dogs. I'll tell you that much. Like a passing drizzle. Of course we're gonna hit traffic. It's all right. Try to get our logs in. In addition to the Viper, there was a sick Huracan STO in the shop today. Both are V10. Absolutely insane. Yeah, the rain is really coming down actually. It might just be in this area. Honestly, when I went up to the car wash, it was closed, so I don't mind a little bit of rain. washing off the car a bit. Let's see what ethanol content we're at, guys. E46, E47. It's perfect. Should get space to start the log. Right here. And immediately hit with rain. That was good though. It's like passing showers. All right, guys, one more.